Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by opening Chrome and navigating to Settings, then System. You need to jump straight to your computer's proxy dialog because Chrome uses the OS settings. You should have admin rights and a quick backup of any displayed values. This prevents accidental lockouts. If you see a Managed Policy banner, make sure you know whether network admins enforce settings. Once you're in the OS proxy panel, pause and compare current values to the desired server, because mistyping host or port causes immediate connection failures. Now edit the proxy configuration itself. Choose Automatic Configuration with a PAC URL when your network provides one, or Manual Mode if you have a specific host and port. You'll enter the server address, numeric port, and any bypass domains like 127, 0, 0, 1, or intranet hosts, because these determine which requests skip the proxy. On Mac OS, use the Proxies tab. On Windows, use LAN settings. After saving, flush Chrome's sockets and DNS cache so changes take full effect without a restart, and check connectivity. Finish by verifying the change. Load a simple site and use Chrome's net internals to flush DNS and sockets. This confirms whether the proxy is used. If pages fail, disable extensions and temporarily turn off firewall or antivirus to isolate the cause, because those often intercept traffic. If a managed policy still overrides settings, you'll need your admin to remove it. Finally, if nothing works, restore your backed up proxy values and reboot, which often resolves lingering state or authentication issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.